done playing with the water, you guys. I'm just gonna hang out here and just chill. Welcome to JojoTV! This is such a cute hotel room, you guys. So I gotta do a quick hotel room tour right here. Look at this. I have a full kitchen with a full-size fridge. Isn't that cute? Microwave. I even have stovetop here. Oh my gosh. Toaster, coffee maker, and all the dishes right there. Cups and plates. Oh my gosh. And look, there is a dishwashing machine. Oh boy, this is so cool. And look who got 2 beds. That's right. That's all mine. Got a little desk over here. That's the closet or cabinet. Oh, okay. And I have a balcony. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? That's the hotel room, you guys. Pretty, huh? Let's check the bathroom. That's the shower room. And hello, the sink. There you go. Hope you like that quick hotel room tour. We're actually gonna go to the beach. Don't know what time. I'm ready just in case they call me. I'm ready to go. But I'm gonna get my food first and have my lunch here. I don't know what time is it. Oh my God, it's already 3 o'clock, so we better get going. Change plan. I have my food bag with me. I'm heading to my colleague's room. It's 3 of us hanging out to her room. And then we're gonna go to the beach, but we're gonna go have our meals there all together at her veranda, her, what do you call that? The outside. So I'll see you guys when I get there in a little bit. Back. This is pretty warm. Just the first feel of the water, it felt cold, but now it's pretty warm. It's maybe about, I don't know, 65 to maybe 70. It's amazing. I love it. I'm done playing with the water, you guys. I'm just gonna hang out here and just chill. Hi guys, just got back from the beach. That was so much fun. I think we were there for about 2 hours at least that I remember. So I'm just going to do my workout here in my room. Then, yeah, I'm gonna be using this one. Then take a shower, have my dinner, and call it a night.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Dinner time. Sardine sandwich. All right, guys, it's almost 9 o'clock. I am so ready for bed. It's been a long day today, but all great things happen today. I get some relaxation after my shower, and before my shower, I get to work out. And now I'm just really super relaxed and I want to go to bed. So it was a very productive layover for me. As you know, most of the time I just hang out inside my room. That's why I can't get all the videos to you, because some of them it's just pretty much me hanging out in my hotel room. But today it's a little bit, exciting. So I'm going to be sharing this video with you. And if you are still here, you know the drill, you know what to do. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to share it with, that's right, someone you love. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, JojoTV. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat po. Mwah!
You know that life's a magic circle, and it's my turn for a ride. I'm dusting out this bubble, and I'm flying on the side. You can sit down with your trouble, but for me it's plain to see. This is my look, my life, my book. This is my